Hi, I'm Richard Asselta, and I'm a defense attorney for students. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a scenario that I get calls and emails a lot about. Student calls me up and says, my professor has reported that I was cheating during an in-class exam. And I asked them, well, what's the evidence? What are they saying? Well, the professor was there proctoring, and he claims he saw or she saw me looking at somebody else's exam and cheating. And then they ask me, is there any hope at all to try to fight this? I wasn't cheating. Is there any hope? And the answer is yes, there is. Now, of course, like anything, it depends on the particular facts of your case. But I have seen many situations like this, and have actually helped many students win cases with exactly this type of evidence. So, how do you go about doing this? Well, the first thing you want to do is, what other evidence does the professor have to support his or her claims that they saw you cheating? Are there any other students that saw you doing anything wrong? Is there any other proctors in the exam that reported that they saw you doing something? If the professor is claiming that you were looking at your neighbor's exam, are there any similarities between those exams? Or let's say, did you maybe get a 95 and the person sitting next to you maybe got an 85? These are all sorts of things that you want to look at. Next, you want to look at what your university's burden of proof is. This is something that is routinely overlooked by students in most every conduct case that I've ever seen. Generally, the university has the burden of proof, meaning the university or the professor are the ones that have to convince a panel that you did whatever they're claiming. And then you want to look at the standard of proof. Like, what is it? Is it more likely than not? Do they have to prove it by clear and convincing evidence? All of these things make a difference. So by looking at the evidence, looking at maybe what's not there, and arguing the burden of proof, and then possibly coming up with an explanation for whatever behavior they claim they saw, you actually stand a good chance of winning. So if you're in a situation like this, if you're being falsely accused of cheating, please give me a call, send me an email. I offer free consultations. I'd be happy to discuss this. Thank you.